Hi, my name is George Smith. I work at the MarineMax Stuart location. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on the 28 Boston Whaler Outrage. This particular boat is equipped with twin 300 Merc Cruiser engines with the optional white cowlings. As you can see, the cockpit here has large fish boxes in the floor for 28-footer. They're exceptionally large. We have the live well system here, fold-out seat in the back. We also have this boat equipped with dual Raymarine electronics package. So you have 2 screens versus 1. The Mercury outboard, engine diagnostics. Plenty of room to install, additional things up on the top here if you want to put your VHF radio up there. Windshield wiper on this model and power vent. As we walk forward, we have the enclosed head here, the trolling seats on both sides. So why don't we come a little forward here. We have a lounge seat in the bow on this model, and underneath there's plenty of storage, nice armrests, loungers, and of course the filler cushions that go here. We also equip them all with power anchors, the windlasses, the bow. My name is George Smith. I'd be glad to show you the boat in more detail at MarineMax Stuart. I can be reached at 772-287-4495 or 908-675-6746. Have a good day.